Hi everyone, so I'm here to share two noise suppression apps na ginagamit ko lately. It's NVIDIA RTX Voice or NVIDIA Broadcast at yung Krisp. So itong two applications na to are used for noise suppression. At itong two applications na to have been around for quite some time. I've heard of these two apps last year, pero hindi ko naman kasi siya kailangan that time, so hindi ko siya na-try. Now, I've been using it for several weeks and I've found out na working naman siya at effective. Now, to give you an idea, yung mga applications kasi such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, yung mga WebEx, ganyan, may mga built-in naman kasi siyang noise suppression features. So, try those out. And kung nagwo-work naman sa inyo, then no need to use these two applications. However, kung hindi pa rin talaga nagwo-work at for example, may mga kahol pa rin ng asong madidinig, mga tilaok ng manok or mga sasakyan sa labas, mga ambulansya, or for example, sa tunog na electric pan. You can use these two applications para masuppress yun. Or yung common term na nadidinig natin is yung mga noise cancellation. Okay, so yung first na introduce ko sa inyo is yung NVIDIA RTX Voice. So may limitation to. So ang makagamit lang nito is yung mga users na merong PC or laptop na ang gamit na display adapter or yung video card is NVIDIA. So dun sa mga hindi familiar, dun sa PC ninyo, just click this search or magnifying glass icon sa taskbar. Yan, malapit sa start menu. Type ninyo Device Manager. So sa Device Manager, expand niyo yung display adapters. Dapat makita niyo NVIDIA GeForce RTX or NVIDIA GeForce GTX. So yun yung dalawang NVIDIA graphics card na supported ng NVIDIA RTX Voice. Kapag okay na, just go to this website or this link. I'll share it dun sa comment section or sa description. And then just download the appropriate version. Kasi iba yung for RTX at iba yung para sa GTX. Okay? And then just install it. Straightforward naman. Okay? And then next, introduce ko naman yung next application which is Krisp. Okay, so same with NVIDIA RTX Voice, it utilizes AI or artificial intelligence para masuppress yung mga background noise na nasasagap ng mga microphone natin. One major difference na lang siguro between these two is NVIDIA RTX Voice is free. However, si Krisp, ito yung mga pricing plan niya. Meron siyang free, however, 120 minutes a week lang. So for most of us, most likely hindi enough yan. Yung next na plan nila is yung Personal Pro which is $5 a month. Unlimited naman na yan per account. So kung may budget naman kayo, you can opt for this plan. Ngayon, kung wala talagang budget, there's another option. Kapag naka-create na kayo ng account, yan, you'll get this referral link. So what you can do is send this referral link to your friends and then pag nag-sign up sila at ginamit nila yung account, so that's the catch, kailangan mag-login sila at magamit yung account na yon. That's automatic 2 months additional dun sa account ninyo, yung free account ninyo. So right now, I'm using a free pro account at mag-expire siya in 5 years pa. So I use a different approach. So using this referral code, what I did is I created temporary emails. So may mga website naman that can create temporary emails to make it convenient for you. And then what you can do is go to this referral link, use those temporary emails, and then log in dun sa machine niyo. So ilalog out ninyo account niyo and then log in that email. And then kapag successful yon, that's additional 2 months. Kaya kung titingnan nyo, ayan, ang daming email dito, which adds up to 5 years. So that's another option. Medyo tedious gawin. Siguro it took me 20 to 30 minutes to come up with this with this emails. So kung gusto ninyo, I can create a separate tutorial for that if maraming interested. Ngayon, there's another way. Unfortunately, hindi ko pwedeng i-share to get a free account here. So if interested kayo, it's actually ganyan. Kaya hindi ko pwede share dito. Kung gusto niyo ng copy, I can send it to you. I've tested it naman actually, and working naman. Okay. So, how does this work? Itong two applications na to, itong NVIDIA Broadcast, tsaka yung Krisp. So, it functions, ito dito sa sound settings natin, it functions as a virtual device. Meaning, kung titingnan nyo dito, nagkaroon ako ng Krisp microphone at NVIDIA Broadcast. Pero technically speaking or physically speaking, wala naman talaga akong inilagay na bagong microphone sa PC ko. So what it does dito sa settings ng NVIDIA Broadcast tsaka ng NVIDIA ng Krisp, you need to input yung specific mic na gagamitin ninyo sa application. Okay? So isa Krisp, I'm using this microphone. Ito, yung Boya MN1 tsaka sa NVIDIA Broadcast. Yan. So ganun din dito. Yan. Make sure na nakaset siya. Okay. So, ang gagawin niya is, kukunin niya yung input from your microphone and then isi-suppress niya yung noise and then magfa-function siya as a virtual device. So, make sure na kapag nagro-run natin itong application na to is iset nyo siya sa system ninyo as well as dun sa specific application na gagamitin ninyo. So, for example, dito sa inputs sa Windows, gamitin nyo si Krisp kung siya yung gagamitin niyo or si NVIDIA Broadcast. Ganon din naman sa specific applications like Zoom. So, punta kayo sa settings, audio, sa microphone, piliin nyo si Krisp or si NVIDIA Broadcast. Okay? Kapag ginamit nyo yung same as system, okay lang as long as dito sa window na to, ang ginamit nyo is si Krisp or si NVIDIA Broadcast. So, I hope that's not confusing. But that's how it works. Make sure na manually nyo siya iset. So, kung Zoom, gagamitin nyo, gawin nyo yung instruction kanina. Kung Microsoft Teams, kung Google Meet, i-make sure na iset ninyo siya as your input device. Ngayon, itong dalawang application na to, aside from suppressing yung noise dito sa mga microphone ninyo, it also functions the other way around. When I say the other way around, for example, yung kausap ninyo, merong background noise na hindi matanggal-tanggal, you can also use this to suppress yung noise dun sa speaker na gamit ninyo, either dito sa headset or sa external speakers ninyo to eliminate yung noise. However, hindi siya optimized for that function. Hindi siya ganun ka-effective. You can try it, but itong dalawang application nito, ang peak performance nila is sa mga microphone suppression ng noise. Okay. So, to show you how it works, kasi right now, I'm not using this to application kasi ang mic na gamit ko is ito sa yung nasa headset ko. So, I'll now switch dito sa Boya MM1 ko. So, manonotice ninyo may noise dito. I'll also siguro turn on yung fan para mag-generate tayo ng noise. So, one moment. Ayan. So now, I'm using yung external microphone ko and most likely nadinig ninyo yung difference. So I suggest, if you want to listen to the difference, I suggest use a headset or an earphone para mapakinggan ninyo. Okay. So, ayan. So yung mga background noise, madidinig yan, mga mechanical keyboard. Ayan. Teka. Ayan. Teka. Key ang pwede ko pindutin. Ayan. So, yung mga background noise na yan, madidinig yan kapag wala kayong noise suppression na apps. So, to show you yung difference, gamit ako ngayon ng NVIDIA Broadcast para ma-compare natin. Okay. So, using the same microphone, ginamit lang natin yung NVIDIA Broadcast to suppress yung noise. So, yeah, maririnig ninyo yung difference. And ngayon, papalakpak ako. Ayan. I'm now clapping kagaya kanina. I'll also be typing sa keyboard ko. Ayan. So, ganyan mag-perform itong two applications na to. So, try din natin sa Krisp. Ayan, switch tayo sa Krisp. Ayan. So, ayan, I'm now typing, palakpak ako, tapos yung naririnig ninyong background noise kanina, most likely sa electric fan, masusuppress na rin yan. Okay? So, yan yung function nitong app na to. That's how it works. So, switch ulit ako sa... Ayan. Okay. So, yan. Just a quick tutorial. So, sana magamit ninyo to sa mga ano ninyo, sa mga schooling, especially sa mga teachers or sa mga students or dun sa mga nagtatrabaho kung allowed naman kayo mag-install ng third-party app or you can ask your IT. Makakatulong to sa inyo. Okay? So, if you have questions, you can type it sa comment section. I'll respond to it or you can just send me a message. Okay? That's it. Bye.